I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for April 15th, 2020. All right, we are in the midst of earning season on the banks. Yeah, the banks are all reporting today, so I got a whole bunch for you guys. It's not looking good. Nope, if we close negative, it's going to be very bearish. But let's start with the SPY. The SPY's at a really interesting spot right now. We're just retracing back down to the 4 EMA right here, as you can see on the daily chart. So that's why I'm going to be, bearish below 277.50. Yeah, below that, it's going to be moving, but that's really the key to watch today is the trade setup from the 4 down to the 8. All right, that is the bearish trade setup. And we should take a bounce if we do that, or we may just bounce up and go back to the top of this channel. So that's what I'm looking at today. So bullish above 281.50, bear below 277.50. We did not have any new dark pool levels on any of the major index ETFs as far as like big levels. Yeah, so still using the latest ones. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 121.50. Yep, this definitely looks rounded topish right here. And the Russell usually leads us, and we are below the 4 EMA already on that, on the daily chart. Yep, so that could be the future there. Look for the 8 EMA possible bounce right there. That's the first trade setup. So bear below 119, that's coming up. Bull above 121.50 if it does turn around. QQQ. All right, the NASDAQ is the strongest. As you can see, it's still way above the 4 EMA. So the next trade would be the retracement down to the 4 EMA. So bearish below 208 and bullish above 211.50 for the QQQs. And I also mapped out the DIA for you guys. DIA, bullish above 237.75. And you can see the DIA very similar to the SPY, sitting on that 4 EMA. Yep, so we're watching that trade. Bull above 237.75, bear below 235. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. All right, NASDAQ futures bullish above 86.20. And again, there's that same retracement down to the 4 EMA right now. Bear below 85.50. Oil. Yeah, oil's a big winner on the short side yesterday. Yeah, we were shorting USO in our live trading class yesterday. Trade working out. Look where we are, you guys. We are below 20 on the oil futures. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at this. Here's that weekly chart. That trend line, unable to hold it. Yep, if we close week below that, I don't know, 18, 15, where are we going? 17.50 is a big level. Yeah, it trades really well on the $2.50 increments. So that's 17.50. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go there if we close weak here. But let's just go to the short term today. We'll be bullish above 20. That's a key level. And bear below 19.25. So watch that. That was the lows about 4 a.m. Let's go to the gold futures. All right, gold looks like a, look at that cup and handle possibly on this 5-minute chart. Just noticed it. Here's the cup. And yeah, we got this kind of handle thing going on right here. Yep, let's see. 1732 to 52. So it's about a $20 move, which probably take us to around here. Again, on a 5-minute chart, it's a short-term cup and handle. On a daily chart, those are the best. Yeah, those are big moves. But we are going to be bullish above 1752, looking at the pre-market volume, and bear below 1737. All right, let's go to Oops, let me just go. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. We got airlines. Yeah, they're airlines and banks. That is, that's the theme of today's Whispers. And of course, we put a little Tesla in there. But AAL, we're going to be bullish above 1320. Yeah, we came up when we tagged this 30 simple moving average, this green moving average on my daily chart. So if we do break above that, I have targets going up to about 1380 for today. Bear below 1237. That could be a retracement. All right, back down to this 4 and 8 EMA. And let's go to the next. Bank of America. Yeah, Bank of America had earnings. I'm not going to analyze them. I mean, that's way over my pay grade. I'm going to be bullish above 24. All right, look, if we end up closing positive today above 24, yep. It's going to be bullish, but we'll most likely test this dark pool level. 24.87 was where they were selling a couple days ago, 1.8 million. And we're going to be bearish below 22.75. We came down to 22.80 already. Yep, 75 is a key level. So let's watch that. Tesla, bullish above 750 this morning. We already hit our 2 targets and hit that Camarilla resistance. Let me show you that. Yeah, those Camarillas. Yep, look at that. Look where we went to. Right up to it. See, that's a brick wall right here. We have R2 and a Camarilla. So you have 2 algos selling right there. So now our next trade setup would be, you know, from here to here. So we really have to break above, I would say 765. That's where I would enter for another trade setup if it does move up on Tesla. Bear though below 700 all the way down here. So it's kind of a no trading zone unless of course you see massive volume coming in and all that good stuff. So let me put that back. Let's go to UAL, back to the airlines. UAL, very similar situation with that 30 simple moving average. Again, bullish above 34.02, bear below 32.50. We've already gone below and we're doing that retracement trade. Yep, as I speak on UAL. Let's go to AMD, 55, really key level. Yep, bullish above that, or we're going to retrace back down to the 4 EMA. So bear below 53.80, bull above 55. Let's go to XLF. Yep, now that pretty much all those banks, most of the big ones have reported. Yep, XLF could be a good mover. We are just stuck on that 8 EMA today. And, you know, we went to the top of this wedge, and it looks like we want to come back down to the bottom. So that's going to be about 21.12 area. Yeah, depending on what day we hit that. Maybe if it's today, it'll be lower, about 21. So watching that, bear below 21.87. We went down to teeny. Yep, 21.93. Yep. That's 15 teenies, by the way. So I'm using the 8th, 21.87 for my level. Let's go to Apple. Yeah, Apple's kind of in the middle of nowhere right now. Does it want to push up? Yeah, so I'm going to be bullish above the 100 moving average, 286.25. And then I'm going to be bearish below 282.50 for a retracement trade. Back down. We'll see which way Apple wants to go. Let's go back to the airlines. Delta. Yeah, Delta bullish above 26.50. Yep, let's see. We tested it once, pulled back. Let's see if we can test it again, if we can go above that. If not, yeah, it looks like they're all retracing back down again. Yeah, buy the rumor, sell the news this morning. Yep, that's how you do it. Don't ever buy the news, okay? Sell on that news. Bearish below 25.50. And then, of course, USO, we had some massive prints coming in yesterday, new ones 465, 474. Looks like they were selling. We are bearish below it. But we are below that 485. That's where we shorted off of yesterday, that other massive print. So we do have a low end target of 419, 412 is the S3. So I would look for those levels. But watch the 437. That would be your entry today. See how we came down there to 438? There's that 3/8 again. Yeah, market trades on fractions. CCL. Bullish above 1263 and bear below 1180 for Carnival. And let's go back to the airlines. JetBlue, lots of volume this morning. Same scenario, all right? Buy the rumor, sell the news this morning. If it does move up above 1060, yep, then there's room to go, but it looks like it's in retracement right now. Let's go to Citibank financials. Had earnings today, not looking good. Bearish below 43.50. So there's a really good trade set up on the short side from here down to here. Yep, then we should take a little bit of a bounce. If we do close below that 42 area, then we can see lower lows, but that's the first two maneuvers. If we do start to head down below 43.50. And Wells Fargo reported yesterday, did not look good. And see how it's doing that move already, going down to the simple 20. You guys seeing the pattern here? I see the simple 20 on the financials and the 30 simple moving averages on the airlines. That's resistance, this is support. So we'll see which way they go. I love patterns. And yeah, I'm so excited to trade this today with you guys. So until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.